Looking to boost your earnings in 2024? Well, we've got you covered. In today's video, we'll unveil 9 powerful assets that can accelerate your wealth-building journey like never before. Can you guess which asset tops the list for making money faster this year? In today's video, we're going to explore 9 things that can help you make money faster in 2024 than any other way. These assets have the power to speed up your earnings and bring you closer to your financial dreams. Whether you're feeling excited, determined, or a little unsure about your money journey, these assets will give you the tools and knowledge to succeed. So, let's dive in and discover how you can boost your income and achieve financial success in the coming year. Get ready to take control of your finances and turn your goals into reality. 1. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies represent a subset of digital assets that utilize cryptographic techniques to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Led by Bitcoin, the first and most widely recognized cryptocurrency, the crypto market has witnessed exponential growth in recent years, attracting investors from all walks of life. With features such as decentralization, transparency, and immutability, cryptocurrencies offer a novel approach to value exchange and wealth preservation in an increasingly digitized world. By understanding the fundamentals of blockchain technology and embracing the principles of decentralization, investors can navigate the crypto market with confidence and unlock its full potential. 2. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are unique digital assets that represent ownership or proof of authenticity for digital or physical items. From digital artwork and virtual real estate to collectible trading cards and virtual goods, NFTs have captured the imagination of creators, collectors, and investors alike. By leveraging blockchain technology, NFTs enable verifiable ownership and scarcity in the digital realm, creating new opportunities for monetization and value creation. With the proliferation of NFT marketplaces and platforms, investors can explore a diverse array of NFT assets and participate in this burgeoning market segment. 3. Decentralized finance, DeFi. Decentralized finance, DeFi, encompasses a range of financial services and applications built on blockchain technology, aiming to disrupt traditional financial intermediaries and empower users with greater control over their assets. From decentralized exchanges, DEX, and lending protocols to yield farming and liquidity mining, DeFi offers innovative solutions for borrowing, lending, and earning yield on crypto assets. By eliminating intermediaries and leveraging smart contracts, DeFi protocols enable trustless and permissionless financial transactions, opening up new avenues for global financial inclusion and wealth creation. 4. Digital securities. In the fast-paced world of finance, digital securities are like digital keys, unlocking doors to traditional assets, but in a whole new way. Imagine owning a piece of a big company, a slice of real estate, or even a portion of a valuable commodity, all stored digitally on a blockchain network. This innovative approach makes it easier for both issuers and investors to navigate the complexities of the financial market. For issuers, it means more flexibility, less paperwork, and smoother transactions. And for investors, it opens doors to new investment opportunities, allowing them to diversify their portfolios and potentially increase their wealth. As regulations catch up with technology, the future looks bright for digital securities, offering a promising avenue for both seasoned investors and newcomers alike to explore. 5. Precious metals. During times of economic uncertainty, there's a sense of comfort in knowing that precious metals like gold, silver, and platinum have always stood the test of time. They're like reliable companions, safeguarding wealth and shielding against the effects of inflation. In 2024, amidst the ever-changing economic landscape, these precious metals remain steadfast choices for investors looking to weather market storms. Whether it's holding onto physical gold bars or investing in exchange-traded funds, ETFs, backed by silver, these assets offer a sense of security in an unpredictable world. With geopolitical tensions looming and economic shifts on the horizon, having a portion of your portfolio allocated to precious metals can provide a much-needed safety net, allowing you to navigate the financial landscape with confidence and resilience. 6. Collectibles. Investing in collectibles is like embarking on a treasure hunt, where each discovery holds the promise of both financial gain and emotional fulfillment. From rare coins that whisper tales of bygone eras to vintage cars that evoke nostalgia for a simpler time, these tangible assets offer a unique blend of history and culture. In today's digital age, the world of collectibles is more accessible than ever, thanks to online platforms that connect enthusiasts and investors from around the globe. Yet, amidst the excitement of uncovering hidden gems, it's crucial to approach collectible investing with caution and wisdom. Conducting thorough research and seeking guidance from experts can help ensure that your investments not only enrich your portfolio, but also bring joy and meaning to your life. 7. Alternative investments. Exploring. Alternative investments is like embarking on a journey into uncharted territory, where each opportunity holds the promise of financial growth and innovation. From backing promising startups in the world of venture capital to exploring the dynamic realm of cryptocurrencies, alternative investments offer a gateway to new possibilities. In today's interconnected world, technology has democratized access to these once exclusive investment avenues, empowering individual investors to participate in opportunities previously reserved for the elite. By embracing alternative investments, you not only diversify your investment portfolio, but also contribute to the advancement of cutting-edge industries. However, it's essential to approach these investments with careful consideration and seek guidance to navigate the complexities of this evolving landscape. 8. Business ownership. Investing in real estate is like planting seeds of opportunity that grow into fruitful trees of wealth and stability. Whether you're purchasing residential properties, commercial spaces, or rental units, real estate offers a tangible and reliable avenue for building wealth over time. The process of acquiring properties and transforming them into profitable assets evokes a sense of anticipation and excitement, as each transaction brings you one step closer to achieving your financial goals. In today's dynamic market, the demand for housing and commercial spaces continues to soar, presenting investors with ample opportunities to capitalize on the ever-growing real estate sector. By making informed investment decisions and cultivating strong relationships within the real estate community, you can unlock the full potential of property ownership and pave the way for a prosperous future. 9. Digital securities. Investing in digital securities is like stepping into the future of finance, where traditional assets meet cutting-edge technology. These digital tokens offer a gateway to a world where ownership of stocks, bonds, and real estate is simplified and made more accessible. The excitement of participating in this innovative market is palpable, as investors recognize the potential for increased liquidity and reduced barriers to entry. With regulatory bodies adapting to accommodate this digital evolution, the path to investing in digital securities is becoming clearer, inviting both seasoned investors and newcomers to explore this dynamic asset class. As we embrace the digital age, the opportunity to diversify portfolios and generate value through digital securities is within reach for all who dare to embark on this transformative journey. In conclusion, the path to financial success in 2024 is paved with a diverse array of investment opportunities, from cryptocurrencies and real estate to stocks and collectibles. By strategically allocating your capital across these 9 assets, you can accelerate your wealth-building journey and achieve your financial goals faster than ever before. However, it's essential to conduct thorough research, seek expert advice, and remain disciplined in your investment approach to maximize returns and minimize risk. Thank you for joining us on this insightful journey through the world of wealth-building assets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Remember to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy investing!